Hi Virgo, this is your quick reading. Gamit natin si Alchemical Visions Tarot. Medyo malaki siya eh. So yung card mo, we have here is the Hangman. You know, there are moments kasi with the card of the Hangman is advising you, think straight. Andun kasi, yes, you're a very analytical person. Andoon sinasabi nila overthinker ka. So it's time that you use that capacity to your advantage. Analyze things that matters. Andoon i-focus mo yung sarili mo to evaluate yung mga nangyayari sa paligid mo. Kasi yun yung kailangan eh. That's why sometimes you're stuck na hindi ka makagalaw or hindi mo alam yung next move mo. It's because you are focusing your energy, your mind, and your time on other trivial things. Ito na yung kailangan na you need to know what to prioritize, focus your energy on it, and have it solved using your powerful mind. I hope nakatulong yung reading sa'yo, and I'll see you on our next video.